In today's video, I will teach you how you guys can change your email address on Facebook. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And first thing first, you want to click on the menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. Once you click on menu, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right. It's going to show you all these options. From all these options, the first option where it says Meta, and right below that you can see in blue option called See More in Account Center. Click on that and it's going to take you to your Facebook Meta Center. Once you're in Facebook's Meta Center, where it says Personal Details, you want to click on Personal Details. Once you're inside this, the first option where it says Contact Info, it's displaying my email. So I will click on Contact Info and my current email is going to be shown over here. Now in order to change this email, I need to click on Add New Contact and click on Add Email. Once I do that, I need to add a new email over here. So I will add a new email. So this is my new email and I want it to be linked with Facebook. So I will choose Facebook and click on Next. Once I do that, this new email will be added on my Facebook. But first I need to enter the confirmation code sent on my mail. So I will see my mail and enter the confirmation code over here. You guys also do that. Once you add a new email, it's going to be displayed over here. Now once a new email is added, you can just delete your older one. So my old email is 1step69@gmail.com. So I will just click on it and click on where it says delete email and click on delete. After I do that, basically my email will be deleted, which means my old email will be removed and my new email will be set. That's how you guys can change your email address on Facebook. Hit the subscribe to our channel for future videos like this.